And we are live. Hello, everyone. This is Sharon, and it's very fortunate that I'm doing this for the first time interview with Sharon live. And thank you for everyone who is here watching this. And if you are watching this in replay, thank you so much. And today I will bring to you a friend and a business partner with me to share her story on how did she started her online digital business and how did she made it, and now she's running this business successfully. She's from California, USA, and she's a mother of two, and she's also working as a healthcare worker, a busy mom, and at the same time running a successful digital business. So, with let's not wait any longer. Let's meet her, Miss Ronna Bombardier. Hi,
Hello.
Ronna.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Sis Sharon.
Hello. How are you? Happy New
Happy
Year.
New Year, too. I'm doing good. My family and we are so blessed this new year.
That's great. How's
Mhm.
the New Year been?
It's been great. It's a brand new beginning. We don't dwell in the past. Yeah, new beginning, new business, and new goals to achieve.
Exactly. And we are so excited to hear about that goals and
Yep.
business. So let's get started because people are really excited to know how did you make it in this digital business and how you become very successful. It's just a matter of how long have you been working in digital business?
It's like a year and a half.
That is so short for business, right? It's
Yep.
just 1 year and you're running it so successfully. So tell us, why did you start this digital business?
Why did I start this digital business? Actually, I was on my maternity leave those days.
Mm,
Yes, and
right.
I've been having half of my current salary because, in the States, we usually take maternity leave for a few months only. And we
Mm,
have like subsidy in the government, and that's not enough. Yeah, and it's like
really?
I am looking for something new, a business that I can actually do while taking care of my youngest and even with my daughter. So yeah, I did pray for it, and the Lord opened my eyes in this kind of business, which I've seen actually in my news feed, my Facebook news feed, and I'm so blessed because she's very accommodating, and I do resonate on her so much. Yeah, I am telling myself that if this lady can do it, why can I, right? So
Mm,
I did
mm.
jump on it.
Is
Yeah.
that how you started, or did you research before you saw this lady? Did you research that I want to have a business, a digital business?
No,
How did
no,
you start?
yeah, I did not, because I really don't know what business will I be in. So I just prayed, and then it popped up on my news feed saying digital business. So I did message her that day, and she sent me a link, and she told me that I can actually register there and watch the free workshop. And if that business is actually for me, then she will help and journey with me. So I've found
And you
that.
didn't and you didn't know this person at all.
No, I don't
Mm,
know. Yeah, she's a
just
stranger to
online.
me. Yeah, but it's just so nice that that workshop really changed my perspective. That if this lady can do it, why I can, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I did jump on that, and because I know that I prayed for it.
Yeah, that's great. And there's a lot of business out there.
Mm-hmm.
I remember when I started, I look around like everywhere. I even look for something like a cleaning business or a coffee mobile business.
Oh.
There's a lot of business when you do research in Google. But why digital business?
Oh, because of this current situation, way back before, it's still not this situation, but I'm kind of tired because I've been working 18 hours a day. In between those hours, I'm out at work at 3 p.m. and then I'll be back at work at 9 p.m. So, that short span of time, let's say 6 hours, I've been doing some groceries with my husband, running errands. So the remaining time between those 6 hours is the only time left for my family, for my children. So
Mm,
I'm
yeah,
so tired. So
exactly.
I want something that I can gain time freedom while I'm actually earning. And this business that we are in is just amazing.
Correct, correct. You were saying that time freedom.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's something that everyone would like to have, but only few who are fortunate to really um, have that time
That,
freedom, because everyone is like, most of the people are working full time or working as an employee.
mhm,
So for us to have a time freedom, we should look for something that would really work for
mhm.
us, and
Yep.
at the same time we can earn,
Yep.
like spend time with your family, and at the same time earn as this business works. And this is really possible with digital business.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
true.
Yeah, and yeah, so we have this live webinar and a replay webinar. So once you have registered, there's a link that pop up in your screen, and if you want to know about this digital business that we are talking about, we have live webinar every Wednesday and Friday every
Mhm.
week. And if you registered, there's automatic replay webinar that's going to be sent to your email. And Ronna, when is this webinar? Because you are in California, I'm in Australia. We have a different time
Yep.
zone, but definitely anyone can see this webinar, can watch this webinar wherever you are worldwide. You are in USA, you are in California. When can they watch this?
Okay, our free online workshop, guys, is every Tuesdays and Thursdays, 5 p.m. PST, 5 p.m. PST, California time.
That's great. That's good. So tell us, what is this business? The digital business. You've been here for 1 year. Like for me, I've been here for half year.
Mm-hmm,
But
mm-hmm,
there's so much benefits that already it was given to me,
mm-hmm.
and I benefited from this business. How about you? What are the benefits that you've had that you can share to us? Because
Okay,
we
so
have all different personalities. We have different, how we take those benefits to
yeah,
us.
yeah.
Needs, yeah.
Yeah, that's true. So actually, I'm a healthcare worker here, and I work 18 hours a day, way back before. So when I actually started doing this business, I managed to release some hours outside. So in benefits wise, I gain more time with my family, making more memories with them, and we do have a saying that happy wife, happy husband, happy children, happy life, right? So it's just so amazing because I see my there's a personal development that's taking place
Mm,
within me,
yeah.
and yeah, and my husband as well. He's more joyful. I become more joyful as well. He's kind of very happy. You know why? Because I'm just simply home most of the time, and I can schedule my clients meaning I am not working in a company that is taking all the time, all of my time. So I do schedule clients right now. So yeah, but living in California is kind of expensive. This is a
Mm.
very expensive state, but we managed to actually pay our bills. Yeah, because of this the help of this digital business. You will never know if this is for you actually, if you don't try. So guys, give it a try. Look, check our web, our online workshop that's happening. That's for free. And if that's for you, we will help and journey with you. So for me, you can register at www.mrssbombardiermarketing.com.
There you have it. That's good. Last question, Rhoda. Because my page, I've been, what do you call this? Inspiring and encouraging people in my page about goal setting, about looking themselves who they want to be in the future. Unfortunately, in the past, I've been in insurance industry for such a time, and
Mm-hmm.
I've talked a lot of people, and they don't have any goals in life. And I really stress this out, how important it is, whether you are in the business, you are working as an employee, you are studying, whatever you are doing, it doesn't matter if you have something or you have nothing, or
Mm-hmm.
you have less, you have more in financially or material things, doesn't matter. But I stress this, that goal is very important in a person's life. How you want to see yourself in the future, that's how you will manifest on how you act and react at your present time. So share us, what is your goal? Yeah, yeah, I want to encourage everyone, like, what is your goal?
Okay, for me as a mom and yeah, mom of two,
Mm,
and still working actually as healthcare worker here in California, it's kind of very risky for me to be outside the world, yeah, outside of our home. And I'm kind of, at first I'm really very scared. I might not see my family afterwards if
mm,
the result is that letter P. Yeah, so I'm just super blessed that I've been into this business before this pandemic hit. But it's not too late for everyone. It's not too late. God is not so early, he's never late. He is always on time. So if you are actually watching this live workshop and you feel that it's also for you and you can do it, because we did it for our family. What's my why did I do it?
yes.
Yeah, it's for me to gain freedom and to be with my family. I want my children to grow not only because I'm giving them whatever, financial and everything. I want to be with them in every milestone. I want to be a wife to my husband. So I did try really my best to
Mm,
really do this business, even though my husband is actually not okay those times. He's kind of skeptical. Yeah,
mm,
just blessed because he's trying and he's understanding it more and more. Yeah, because he sees results. We are legitimate. We are not scamming people in here. If this is for you, this is for you. And if this is not for you, then it's okay, right? At least you've gained knowledge and understanding that there's a business like this out there. So for those who are watching right now, I am encouraging you. I don't know this business personally, but we have an awesome training site where you can count on.
mm,
You can always check it, and it's really very fitting my schedule. So because I'm busy, right? I don't have time much to do it. But if I'm free in between of my work, I will do it. So it's on my own timing, and it always fits my schedule, not me fitting the schedule itself, right?
mm,
So I'm just super blessed that because we have results, this second, extra income that we're having is just so amazing because we can save more. We can pay some of our bills. And my goals this year is, to have more time for my family at the same time while being at home. Yeah, being at home, I can earn as a mama, right? I play
Mm,
with them, but my business is running in the background. Amazing, right?
mm.
Yep. So time
Yeah,
for me.
that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. But before we end this, Ronna, let's invite them again.
All right. So, guys, we are inviting you for this free online workshop every Tuesdays and Thursdays here in California. Our PST is 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. PST on my time. So, if you are actually watching a replay or watching live right now, please do register on my domain. It's mrssbombardiermarketing.com. And how about you?
That's great. And my website is sharonrebucas.com. Just key in your name and your email address, and we are going to send you the free webinar link and a replay link for the free webinar. So don't hesitate. Learn from this what you can have and what the future awaits for you. This
That's
webinar
right.
will tell you how you can start your own digital business that while you are at home or while you are working. This could be your side hustle that you can
Yep.
earn aside from your day job,
Yep.
right? So thank you, Ronna, for being here. I am very much delighted to have you on my first interview and interview with Sharon live. And thank you everyone for watching this live and for replay. Thank you so
Thank
much
you
for
so
watching
much.
and being here. And I hope you had great learning and you were inspired by our friend and digital partner, Miss Ronna Bombardier. Thank you, Ronna. Thank you, everyone. See you
Thank
next
you. Thank
time.
you, Cha. Thank you. God bless. Happy New Year.